today you chose our package number 4, the Reverse Dalmatian. And again, you're going to get to choose if you want us to do a hand dry wash or if you want us to go ahead and do a foam bath followed by a hand wash. Now before we do that, we're going to top off the wheels and tires to give it a nice factory sheen, remove all the oils and all the iron decontamination that the rims and tires might have before we apply protection on top of it. We did the bath, whether it's dry or wet. We're going to do the interior. Let me explain to you about the interior. Formula G has the ultimate eliminator, provided by P&S's full line carpet bomber, the Terminator, the Express detailer, also the finisher, which is a peroxide treatment. Don't worry, it is tested and safe for the inside of the vehicle. Surface sanitizer, we're going to do that as well, eliminating all the enzymes and proteins that you might have on your vehicle from people getting in inside of your car, including yourself. We're also going to clay the car. Now by claying the car, it's going to remove things that are etched into your clear coat. Could be bird droppings, any kind of acid rain, or the above. After we clean the car and it's got a nice glass surface, we're going to go ahead and follow it up with a polish. Now this polish is done by Rupas Orbital Polishers. It's dual action and it's the state-of-the-art, probably the most expensive equipment that we can get. Rest assured that our professionals are also trained with these Rupas Orbital Polishers. Once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and coat it with a 6-month-long protection against UVs, bird droppings, acid rain, Arizona, California sun, all of the above. Thank you for choosing package 4. If you have any other questions, please follow us on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. You can email us at getformulag@gmail and call us as well. Thank you. Bam, bam, bam. Right. So, hey, listen, Formula G exclusive. Now, you guys have known there's a lot of detailers out there, a lot of people using the IK foamers. What we did here at Formula G is we decided to go with the Miralax. They send us this foamer. I personally like it better than the IK foamers, but we are doing heads up this foamer right here, which you get 3 different foam densities. It's got the smart bottle and the auto lock mechanism, which I really like on this one, by the way. And you've seen us use this a ton of times. We got another one that just hit the market. Not a lot of people know about it, and we're going to bring it to you. And we're going to put this one up against that one. We're not going to tell you which one it is. You're going to have to stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Remember, share, subscribe, and hit that like button. But we got something super cool coming. And guess what? It's going to save you all the money. It's going to save you so much money. That ain't funny. Stay tuned, guys. Thank you.